Hey, hi, namaskaram, my dear friends. I'm Sakshi Devi Setti, and a warm welcome to our channel Achla Gyan Mountain Full of Knowledge. So, here we are, English for All. Today, we are going to talk about the syllabus for complete English pedagogy. Okay, and there's something I would love to tell you that it's you are assured to get 15 out of 15 marks in your seated stated exam because every mark counts there and they're very, very important, isn't it? It's a one-stop solution for all your queries. Hey, don't run away. I have something more to say, especially my students who are from the Hindi belt. Please wait. Uh, and before that, yes, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and buy this book also. This is on CDP that you love it, especially useful for all the TET aspirants. Hey, one mistake that is preventing you from speaking English fluently. Do you know that? If you really want to know that, then watch this video till the end and then I'll give you the tip, right? So let's start off. Syllabus for seated paper 1 and paper 2, as I was telling you, we are going to talk about English pedagogy, okay? And when we are talking about pedagogy, it's absolutely useful for paper 1 and paper 2. And what does that we have? Moving ahead, in every video, I'll be covering all the topics, important topics, along with MCQs, also the key questions, previous year questions, everything needed. You need not worry. As I told you, it's a one-stop solution. Now, coming to your CTET syllabus, when I'm talking about pedagogy, what do you mean by pedagogy? Yeah, I can say that it is a method or a practice of teaching, right? And when we are talking about something called pedagogy, it involves being able to convey knowledge and skills in a way that students can understand, remember, and apply. Right? Agreed? So, when we are talking about pedagogy of language development and what are the key concepts that we are going to learn in the coming videos moving ahead are learning what is language, what is acquisition, the principles of language teaching, the role of listening and speaking, the functions of language, how children use it as a tool. Everything will be discussed. The kinds of approaches we are going to, go with, and evaluating. How do we evaluate? Everything. Be it your LSRW skills, speaking, listening, reading, writing. All these things we'll be discussing here, and what are the teaching materials that we'll be using in detail. We'll be discussing about each and every topic, how to go with remedial teaching, that will also be discussed. And apart from that, we will also look at the critical perspective of the role of grammar in learning a language for communicating your ideas verbally and in written form. Okay, and beyond that, we'll also discuss about the language skills and what all challenges a teacher faces in a classroom, especially in a diverse classroom. What are the difficulties, language difficulties she faces when children have disorders? What is that the teacher needs to do? Everything, uh, um, you know. Everything will be discussed in the class, and if you're wondering how many marks will questions from these concepts come, then it's almost like if in the first slide that I'm showing it to you now, here you'll be having around 5 questions from here, 5 questions from these concepts, and 5 questions from these concepts. Approximately, I can say. Okay, that's all for the syllabus for CTET paper 1 and paper 2, your English pedagogy. Now, are you ready for the tip? Okay, as I asked you earlier, do you know that one mistake that is preventing you from speaking English fluently? Hey, do you know you have been consuming a lot and a lot? Like means you are watching too much of a content in your local language. Mostly it's either Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, whatever. So if you're watching your content in a local consumption, then how can you expect your production to be in international? Isn't it so? Got it? If you're watching too much of content in your local language, then how will you learn a language you need in how will you learn it? All you need is when there is enough consumption, enough production should also be there, right? If consumption is all local, how will your production be international? Think about it. Okay, and here are the tips. Just like I said, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your goal is to deliver a message, not perfect grammar or vocabulary. To be honest, even native speakers, they do make mistakes, isn't it? Haven't you ever seen them? If you have met them, even you will know that even they make mistakes, just like we make mistakes in our own mother tongue, like when we speak, right? And everything's through practice, practice, and practice. Without practice, it's never easy to communicate in English well. Lot of practice is required. You have to look for opportunities. You get a chance, try to speak in English if you really want to speak English fluently. And last but not the least, and very important, but I put it in the last, listen. Yes, the more you listen, the easier it will be for you to uh, use these kind of expressions, words in an English conversation. You need to really listen a lot, pay attention to what the other person is saying, and watch more of something that is in English. Watch movies, watch serials, whatever, but watch them in English. Okay, so that's all for now today, my dear friends, and don't forget 15 by 15, all your marks are assured in your seated state TET exam. That's all I can say. And yes, apart from English pedagogy, we have the best of all series where we are discussing our pedagogy questions, important MCQ questions, 500 of them, in one of the playlists in the same channel. And beyond that, we also have the psychologies and theories key points that I'll be discussing almost till date, this moment, that's 18th May, we have completed 22 psychologists that we have discussed in those videos. You can watch them. And apart from that, we have child development pedagogy key concepts that we have also discussed. So guys, stay tuned, watch out for everything that is related to TET on this channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video to your friends. And don't forget to buy now this book. This is also available on Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere. But currently, because of lockdown, e-copy is available. Later, you can purchase the print copy once the lockdown is up. Okay, closed. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.